What is up, y'all? So the video that y'all are about to watch is me fishing in California. I gotta fish in a few different spots in Sacramento and then Los Angeles, Union City. I gotta fish a few different spots, but I'm gonna actually do a series on this YouTube channel of Fishing America, because as some of y'all know and some of y'all don't, I actually work on the road, so we're always going to different states. And I figured I'm gonna do a series on fishing those different states. And how that's gonna work is I'm just gonna find bodies of water wherever we are, and I'm gonna fish them and hopefully lock into some big fish. But if y'all do enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button, and hopefully it goes good, and enjoy. So I'm at Huntington Beach right now in Southern California. I'm gonna be doing some fishing out here, hopefully lock into some California bass. But yeah, we came out here to check out the beach. Been here a few times, it's real nice. I was gonna fish up on the pier, but I decided I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna go fish some ponds. I'm actually gonna go to a place called Huntington Park, I think is what it's called. And hopefully, I already looked online, it said that they got some largemouth and they got perch, you know, the whole 9 yards, catfish, all that good stuff. But hopefully I can lock into some big California bass. All right, let's see what we're working with. First cast. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. That was a bite right on the edge of the weeds. Come on. Yeah. Hey, right when you said you're leaving. Hey, there's a good one. Finally. First California bass. Right there. Yeah, I got it all. There we go. First California bass. Oh. What is up, y'all? So I just made it down to the little creek that I'm gonna fish here in Sacramento. I mean, it's a real small creek. It's nothing special to it. Real small creek. I'm gonna try to catch some bass out of here. I decided to get away from all these big lakes and stuff because I just could not figure them out here. So I'm gonna go do a little bit of creek fishing and see how that goes. All right, what's up, y'all? So, just made it to the next spot. It looks like a pretty cool little spot. I mean, and there's fish. There's a bass right there. Yeah, and there's fish in it, so that's good. There's one. There you go. That's pretty cool. Nice little fish too. Man, check him out. Man, that's for sure the biggest bass I've caught so far in California. Nice little largemouth. Cool. See you later, buddy.